He is a member of ISIS and a killer. And this week, he was arrested in California. That's according to charging documents filed in Sacramento. And as national correspondent William Lajeunesse reports, the case is raising questions about how the man was able to settle in the U.S.
Mr. Amin was an active member of ISIS in its heyday.
In what is being called one of the most significant arrests of an accused ISIS terrorist in the U.S., law enforcement swarmed a Sacramento apartment Wednesday looking for this man, Omar Amin, who, according to prosecutors, was a hitman for ISIS and al-Qaeda.
He is accused by the Iraqi government under the ISIS flag as an ISIS operative in cold-blooded murder.
Court documents say Amin, driving a pickup mounted with a machine gun and a black ISIS flag, killed an Iraqi policeman in June 2014. 5 months later, Amin entered the U.S. as a refugee, despite what's allegedly a thorough screening process.
This is a classic example of the vulnerabilities in our refugee system.
Refugee screening depends largely on a victim's story, not documentation. When he applied, Amin claimed ISIS killed his father for cooperating with the U.S. In fact, court records say his father died of a blood clot. Amin also claimed he never killed anyone, but FBI agents say they found at least 8 witnesses who identified Amin and his family as committed fanatics who planted IEDs to kill coalition forces.
That refugee application was replete with lies and misrepresentations.
The Trump administration imposed a travel ban last year over concerns terrorists could thwart the screening process. Claude Arnold, a former war crimes investigator, says this case shows they weren't wrong.
It really vindicates the administration's reasoning behind implementing the travel ban.
Amin could be extradited to Iraq next week. It is the first known use of a 1934 treaty between the two countries. Amin faces death if convicted. Brett?
William, thank you.